Meine erste Frage ist, haben Sie chinesische Freunde in Deutschland?
Nein, eigentlich nicht.
Nee, in Deutschland nicht, nee.
Nein, leider nicht.
Freunde chinesischer Abstammung, aber nicht chinesische Freunde.
Und was verbinden Sie mit China?
Innovation, viele Leute, Händler.
Ehemals kommunistisch regiert.
Die überall jetzt einzukaufen sind. Ja. Überall die Marktbärchen, sage ich mal so, in ganz Deutschland.
Ich kann sagen, dass sie sehr nett zuvorkommend sind. Immer dieses Land des Lächelns, das zeigt sich auch letztendlich bei denen. Und ich denke mal, die sind von der Art her angenehmer wie teilweise wir Deutschen, wenn wir uns so darstellen, wie wir sind.
Jetzt kam die Schätzungsfrage, wie viele Chinesen leben eigentlich in Deutschland?
Sich mal 500.000.
10.000?
Boah. Boah, das kann man auch nicht abschätzen.
Vielleicht 500.000?
2.000 bis 3.000.
Actually, I think around 200,000 Chinese people live in Germany.
你好, my name is Yuan Fang. Ich arbeite in Dresden, aber ich wohne in Chemnitz.
So Fang is my family name. I am 47 years old this year. Since 2016, I start to work here in Dresden. So now I'm responsible for sales China. Maybe you want to ask me why I came here and how I live here. I got a chance to learn German. I'm curious for this new word in front of me. When I arrived here in Germany, I'm very surprised for everything. Of course, the landscape, the nice building, the culture, the people, the language, everything. For me, it's completely a new world. I was not afraid of difficulties in front of me. I think at that moment I was young. I can learn. I want to have a new experience, a life experience. Two big problems I have to face or I have to solve. The first, of course, is the language problem. Without language skill, you can't understand, you can't communicate with other people. Of course, the next is you have to understand how to work with your German colleagues and what is their regulation and what is their company culture. My spare time mostly is using for learning language. Reading and watch a movie and communicate with my friends in China. And that is the most important case for me. And do some sport, but it's not so much. Cooking, yes, cooking. Yes, cooking. I like cooking. Of course, my home style. Cooking, so Chinese cooking, because in the company at lunchtime I always have German food. So at home I would like to enjoy my home style. Yes. In the working situation, of course, it's always German colleagues and friends. Mostly are Chinese friends. When my parents heard about that, I would like to go to Germany. Of course, they support me very much. They hope I can have my own life. Okay, it's very pity I can't be with them every day, but every week I call them, every week. And every year I will visit them 1 or 2 times, minimum 2 times. So it's already continued 15 years. Yes. Home means a lot of feeling love. I think that's enough. There are 2 homes. One is in China, the place with a lot of memory, and one home is here, my working, my career, and my family here.